Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ano yung energies for yung ngayong full moon in Scorpio sa May 13, 2025 at 12:55 a.m. Philippine time. So, maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising. Although, pwede rin namang makaresonate yung mga Capricorn Sun at Capricorn Moon. Okay, so for you, Capricorn, itong full moon is happening in your 11th house of your community. This is also your dreams, your goals, discovering new things. Maaring meron kang magiging realization of your dreams. Ano ba talaga yung pangarap mo? Pwedeng may nagbabago sa pangarap mo. Pwedeng you are changing your plans. May mga plano kang binabago. I also see you experimenting on something, no? Maaring mag-experiment ka sa isang project or isang business or isang pamamaraan ng parang isang process na kailangan mong gawin to achieve something. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, maari ring I see someone here na maaring magkaroon ng challenging situation with a friend, sa isang kaibigan, na hindi na talaga kayo magkasundo ng kaibigan mo na to, or you might be releasing or parang cutting off connection sa taong to. Some of you, maaring merong confusion, no? Or parang you are not hindi ka ganun ka sigurado sa mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Siguro maraming options available sa'yo ngayon. But what I see here is meron kang magiging isang idea na maaring unexpected. Isang inspiration na hindi mo inaasahan na pwede palang maging dahilan para mag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo. Let's say for example, hindi mo pa naranasan na kung ano mang libangan. Halimbawa, hindi mo tinatry na mag-alaga ng mga halaman. Tapos, nung trinay mo, nag-enjoy ka pala. Nag-enjoy ka. Masaya pala yon. Nagre-resonate ka pala doon. So, it's like you discovering new interests, no? So, maaring meron kang madidiscover na bagong hobby, libangan, or for some of you, pwede rin itong like a new passion in your life. This can be, pwede rin new career, but mas inclined siya sa creativity mo no? Sa creative talents and skills mo. I also see here na pwedeng magkaroon ng some sort of challenge sa iyong anak, no? Kung meron ka ng anak na meron siyang gusto sa buhay niya na hindi mo suportado. Or vice versa, meron kang gustong gawin na hindi suportado ng anak mo, that may create conflict sa inyo. Pwedeng makagulo sa inyong relationship. There is also an opportunity for you to network. Okay? Maaring meron kang mga bagong kaibigan, connections na makikilala through your friends as well. So, ito rin yung time na kung ikaw yung tipong laging nasa bahay lang, or hindi masyadong naglalabas, or hindi masyadong nag-mingle, or tawag doon, may kisalamuha sa maraming tao. This is the time for you na to try to go out and meet new people. Kasi you'll never know kung sino yung mga makikilala mo na in the future, pwedeng makatulong sa'yo or magbigay sa'yo ng opportunities. Okay? So, this is also about learning. So, yung iba, if you are interested in studying, gusto niyo mag-aral ulit, or pwedeng hindi naman to sa academic side ng pag-aaral, pwedeng it's more on research sa interest ninyo, then go for it. Okay? What is the 11th house energy? The Two of Wands. So, decision making. Parang tinan mo siya, meron siyang tinatanaw doon. Parang may hinihintay ka or ina-anticipate ka, inaasahan ka na darating. Or working on something na alam mong may magiging resulta siya kapag ginawa mo, kapag nag-take action ka. And if there are choices na kailangan mong pumili, ito na yung time na may pipiliin ka na. Meron ka ng, syempre pag may choices, may pinili ka, yung isa, i-let go mo na yun, diba? Ganong energy. So, yeah, you have the Judgment, which is about transformation and rebirth. I think magkakaroon ka ng self-discovery. You're discovering your new version of you. Or sabi nga you have to create a new version of you. Dahil you have to be aware of who you are right now. Kasi 'di ba nagbabago tayo. Nagbabago tayo ng tinatahak sa buhay, para may mga tinatawag na phases in life. Na for example, nagkaanak ka, 'di ba? So, yung pagkakaroon ng anak, definitely it will change your life totally. Hindi ka na pwede yung kagaya dati na para kang single, na kahit anong oras pwede kang gumala, umalis. Kasi kung gagawin mo yan nang may anak ka na, that will create conflict, problems, and issues. So, kung meron ka ng awareness of where you are right now in your life, mas magiging madali mong i-recreate or i-reinvent yung sarili mo sa kung anong dapat yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Okay? Do you get what I mean? Okay, what is the third house energy? Page of Pentacles. Oh, yan. Page of Pentacles is about learning, discovering new things, and at the same time, nag-i-invest ka doon. 'Di ba? Ini-invest mo yung time, yung energy mo sa mga practical na bagay na alam mong merong ROI, return of investment, na babalik sa'yo. So, yung mga connections mo na mabubuo or connections mo na nabuo before, friendship, sa trabaho, eventually, darating yung time na kakailanganin mo sila. And maganda na meron ka sa kanilang relationship. Okay? Take a breather. So, some of you, Capricorn, if you are feeling stressed, go out, have fun. Dahil it will, shift something sa isip mo kesa yung lagi kang nakafocus sa problema mo. Have faith in your dreams, yes. Magtiwala at maniwala ka na matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. The first question is, ano yung pangarap mo? Kasi mahirap naman na mangarap na hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung gusto mo. You have to figure that out first para maplano mo kung ano yung mga actions na iti-take mo to get there, 'di ba? Okay, so that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.